Hello everyone. Today we will see how to rename the layers without using AI in Figma. Whenever we work or design anything, we have to give a name to layers. If the design is simple and it is not in very detail, we can name it manually we can double click on the layer and give it a name. Or if we have same type of design like we have some cards or anything, we can press command R and the prompt is here. We can give it a name. But if we have designed a big project like any app or a full website, at that time it becomes a challenging task to give the name to layers. Today we will see how to rename the layers without using AI in Figma. Go to plugin and type Figma auto name. You can see here it will suggest you to name. Click on this. It will take some time, and yes, it is named. You can see on the left side all layers have a name. Tip number 2, how to close the layers at once. Whenever we have to close the layers, we close it one by one. So now we can do at once all. So press Alt or Option plus L and it will close all the layers at once. See here. Okay. Let me show you one more example. Here all layers are not named properly. So we will give it a name with the plugin. Select all layers, go to plugin and search for Figma auto name. Click on the name. It will take some time because there are so many layers. Yes, naming of all layer is done now. Let's close all the layers at once. Press Alt or Option plus L and it is closed. Thank you so much for watching.